Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove water spots from a car. A lot of people have always asked me, Quentin, how do you always remove water spots and keep all of that stuff off the windows? Well, it's pretty simple. When you wash your car, always dry the windows. Do not let them air dry, because then the calcium from the water builds up on the windows. But for those of you who haven't dried your windows off when washing the car, we're going to jump right into it, and the test subject is going to be this Silver Fusion over here. Alright guys, so this is one area of the car that has been suffered pretty badly with the water buildup. So I got a product. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to take care of this. It's under $15, so it's very inexpensive. You can do this on your own, and it's not that hard at all. So less than 10 minutes probably. We're going to jump right into it. And looking at the result, guys, you know, zooming in, you can only see it on the edges. Focus camera. Alright, so you see I tackled most of it. The other areas, you know, you can, with more attention to detail, you can knock that out. Alright, so as you can see, all of the areas have been gotten. Alright guys, and the product that I used in today's video is none other than New Glass water spot remover. This is my go-to product for whenever I have water buildup on the windows. It even works for household products, guys. So it's not just for automotive use. If you like today's video, leave a like, leave a comment, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.